Once upon a time, there was an old farmer. He lived with his 3 sons. The sons were always fighting. They did not get along at all. One day, the farmer called his sons. He gave them a bundle of sticks. "Try to break them," he said. The first son tried hard but could not. The second son tried too but failed. The third son also could not break them. Then the farmer untied the bundle. He gave 1 stick to each son. The sons easily broke the sticks. The farmer said, "See, my sons. When you work together, you are strong, but if you fight, you will break easily." The sons learned to work together. They never fought again, and they all lived happily ever after.